Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What's about you?
I'm brilliant. Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Maria Sajjad, and you can call me by my first name, that is Maria.
Okay, Maria. So, where are you from?
I am from Azad Kashmir district, Kotli,
Mhm.
and my hometown name is Housing Scheme.
Mhm. Okay, so how long you have been living in this city?
I have been living here since my childhood, and it's also my birthplace.
Okay. So, do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown very much. There are number of reasons. Firstly, it's a beautiful city. Secondly, it is surrounded by hills and mountains, which are covered by lush green trees. So that's why I like my city because of natural beauty.
Okay, and what is the most famous thing in your city? What do you think about that?
The speciality of my city is that it is called city of mosques. There are a huge range of mosques in my city. In each street in every town, there are number of mosques, and the city also known as Madinatul Masajid, city of mosques.
Okay, very good. Okay, Maria, now we are moving forward to our second part of the speaking test, and that's your cue card.
Yes.
And I'm giving you a cue card about your favorite personality, and you have to think before to speak. You have a 1 minute, okay? Okay, can we start?
Sure.
Okay, so please speak up, Maria.
The person in history I like most, that is Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He's the founder of Pakistan. He was a brave man, and he did a heroic task. He achieved freedom for the Muslims of Indo-Pak subcontinent, and it was a huge task because he fought with two major nations, the British and the Hindus. And I have heard his speeches, and he also talk about women empowerment. And I believe that he's the greatest leader of the subcontinent. I admire him and I praise him a lot, and I also do research about his life and his family.
Okay, Maria, so we are moving forward to our third part of the speaking test.
Yes.
Okay, so Maria, do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers because it gives us feeling good when we are sick. We receive flowers, we feel good, and on different occasions we use flower at weddings and to welcome.
And what is your favorite flower?
Um, my favorite flower is daffodil.
Daffodil. Why?
Because of its color and uh, the way it is grown in the water. So whenever there is a
Okay,
cool
Maria,
breeze,
what's about red rose? Do you like that?
of course, I like red rose. And I have a huge collection of red roses in my terrace farm. And early in the morning, I water them, and I also take care of my plants very much.
Okay, so if you like roses, so probably you also like it, colors. So which one is your favorite color?
My favorite, most favorite color is black, and it's because it suits on me, and whenever I wear it, I feel more comfortable, confident, and I also get good remarks from people when I wear this color.
Okay, and what's about your favorite outfit?
Um, my favorite outfit is Eastern, which is shalwar kameez we wear in Pakistan. So I also like Western dresses, but in those dresses we should take care of abaya hijab.
Okay, Maria, do you like to wear jewelry?
Yes, I like to wear jewelry, and I often use earrings and rings and pendant in my neck.
Hmm. Okay, Maya, thank you very much for the test and good luck for your future.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.